Hey guys, it's Ipsy time, and it is April's, right? Shit, like, I don't even know what day it is. Alright, well, here is the bag. It is super cute. It is actually more of the canvas feel, so it could get easily dirtied and not washable, I wouldn't think. I don't know. But it's cute. I like it. It's very springy-like. Alright, so the first item I have is from Bean. Okay, where's my paperwork here? I cannot read that. Oh, okay. Don't even ask me how to pronounce that. Right there. That's a nice full-size brush. Full size is 17 bucks, so this already paid for the bag, and it is a nice brush, and it is a full large shader brush. Awesome. Okay, so the next item I have is the one I picked, which is the Milk Kush mascara. Let's first smell it. It doesn't have a smell, so that's good, and it's very thick. Can you hear that? See how like there's a peak right there? That means it's super thick, which I like. So I don't think I've tried the milk makeup yet, so that's why I picked it. Excited. So next item is a lip food. Vanilla Lavender Pumpkin Seed Oil. It's a balm, but this thing is kind of thick for a freaking balm. Like it's very thick. So how do I have to peel this little piece off? Protecting thing? Yeah, okay. What? Alright. Oh, it's a stick, a lipstick. Oh. Alright. It smells very medicated, if I may say so myself. But yeah, I mean, it fights free radicals and boosts skin health for your lips. So okay, awesome thing. Okay, next item is from Nomad. I've had a few of their products from Ipsy, and it says Sydney Bathers. What is this? I don't even remember what I get, guys. Oh yeah. Okay, so I'm assuming that's like a blush. It's kind of a peachy shimmer blush. Yeah, oh, it's a highlighter. It's a Kiss of Sun highlighter. Let's test that out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's nice. Very nice. Okay. Last item in my bag is by BYT Beauty, and it is a quad shadow, and this thing is like neon. It's like neon orange. I love it. Well, let's check out the shadows. Ooh. Okay, so there's the 4 shadows. Very nice. I'd actually probably use this one for my brow because I like using shadow brow. But nice. Very cool. So I got a highlighter, some shadow, some lip balm, some mascara, and a brush. Can't beat that, guys. So that is it for this month's Ipsy. I will see you guys next month. Comment, like, and subscribe. Bye!